Alright, what's up guys? We're finally doing something. And Michael, what is it? Alright then. Alright, I got some new gaskets. And right now you're gonna see what it is. Most likely by the thumbnail you already know what it is. Okay. So this shit's like damn near open already. They didn't pack it right. Okay. And this thing. Oh. A box in a box! That was dumb. Why'd they put it in a turbo smart box? Where is it at? Is it AEM? Turbo smart. Blowouts, valves, boost controller. Get the fuck out of here. Ow. Hi, mama. Okay, this is what it's gonna be. Okay. Plenum spacer. Hey! Go over there! We got the hardware right here. Blox.
Yeah. Chopstick came with a large low man, extra clip in it, nigga. I ain't got no aim. Ball main pocket feel fresh, romaine, and I stay with the cash like an exo chain. 5,500, nigga, that's your rain. When I go to the club, make it storm hurricane. Nigga pull up, think he G.I. Joe, man. 762, turn him G.I. Jane. Said Rico and Boo, they be knee high, man. Now when I look down, you know I can't see my aim. Man, she effing some rats, gave her 3 times 10. Put her right in the condo, put her in the bin. And I did all of that, no one see her again. And honestly, on the better things, that's a first.
Oh, this one too. Nah. Gotta take off that bitch. Is it motherfucker gonna be 8? No, cause that doesn't fit on. Did he even look?
Yeah, I did.
And that's how you lose 10mm bolts. 10mm thingies. Okay.
Alright, my mom is calling me, so I need to eat.
Oh yeah, fucking shoot that shit. Okay. How are we gonna do this? Let's see. Alright, now after having technical difficulties with the GoPro, I've come to the conclusion that I can use a flathead screwdriver to take this bullshit off. Oh. Okay. Now all I would need is to take off this shit. That would be good. Technically. Take off this little clip. And can't forget to put that back on. And then after this, keep this, because I don't want to lose that. And then pull this shit off to the side.
Turning G.I. Saints up, moonwalking all on the money. When I moonwalk, my diamonds still sunny. When I moonwalk, I don't use no 20s. When it comes to the drip, not in front of me. When Balenciaga on my jacket, my shirt, and my pants, and my socks, and my undies. Yeah.
go. Oh, that is bad. That is really bad. Okay. I'll be back with this. I need the other extra set of hands from Michael. Alright, come on.
What?
So I'm not sure. Alright. How the fuck is this? Like this? Oh, like that. Ah, it's gonna drop all the way to the bottom. Oh, pick it up, pick it up. Did it fall into place now? I think it did. Ah, this damn thingy. Is this thing, hold on. Where the, here. Is this damn thing. It's not letting it drop all the way.
What damn thing?
This little oil thing there. Should be good right there. Okay, hang on. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I don't think that's gonna be tight. Fuck.
Oh my god, just put it in.
No, cause I'm not sure if they're aligned, dude. You didn't hear anything?
No.
Oh wait, do I have to put washers on? 16, 18, okay, yeah. I think all of them are gonna need the washers, dude. So I gotta take this one back out. Slowly. Michael. Don't move it. Short bolts. Medium bolts. That's it. We fucked up.
Why?
Oh wait.
You scared me
Thank
for
God.
a sec.
Got
You
the
forgot
wrong
the
one.
washer.
Fuck! Told you I was gonna keep forgetting. Let me just tighten them. Ow.
Dame la ciencia.
Messed up on
Let me see. Nothing goes there, dumbass.
that. Oh, really?
It's a different one.
Oh. So where do I put this? Oh, put it right here?
Right there, yeah. What the fuck down? How many bolts is there left? 2?
One. Oh, this thing, so only one. And then, yeah, there's only 2 left.
get this shit all the way. So that's good, that's good. Should really fix this bullshit. Okay. Slide this bitch back in here. See the last clip of it, of everything? And then we're gonna be putting this back in here. Which side is not clipping? Oh shit. Ah, fuck. Push this shit down. I guess that's okay. 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 My sensor's good. Get this plugged in. Let's give this thing its first start. See if there's no vacuum leaks. Sounded good. Oh. Sound a little bit funky. The service engine soon. The check engine light is because of my cats. I gotta change that, and I gotta change that real soon. I got the parts inside my house, but everything so far is idling fine. I mean, it's just warming up. It's cold right now. Nothing sounds out of the ordinary, but that little acceleration does sound weird though. Where's that? There. I'm gonna give it one more time. Okay, so everything seems to be idling good, I guess. Idle is ever so slightly high. Hopefully it'll drop down a little bit. Okay. I am gonna need to return the